Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed chapter 11. No, that was chapter name was and where. And in this chapter, we have learned where we use was and where we use where. No, so today we are going to discuss again exercise C. Okay. So in C number, look here. Rewrite these sentences using was or where. That means here given some sentences from 1 to 8. Now this sentence we have to rewrite with the help of was or where. तार माने এই সেন্টেন্সবোৰ আমি আকৌ লিখিব লাগিব was আৰু where ইউজ কৰি এতিয়া ক'ত was ইউজ কৰিম আৰু ক'ত where ইউজ কৰিম এইবোৰ তোমালোকক মই আগৰ ক্লাছত শিকাই দিছো ন সো ইয়াত তোমালোকক মই এটা বস্তু শিকাই দিও য'ত য'ত am is আৰু are আছে থাৰ্ড টাইত আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব থাৰ্ড টাইত was আৰু হয় was নহলে where use কৰিব লাগিব that means we have to use was or where in place of am is are okay এতিয়া কোট was use কৰিম তোমালোকক কোট where use কৰিম তোমালোকক মই অলপ মনত কৰি দি আছো যদি subject to if the subject is singular then we have to use was what was if the again I am telling you if the subject is singular then we have to use was and if the subject is plural then we have to use where যদি সাবজেক্টটো সিঙ্গুলার হয় তেতিয়াহলে তার লগত আমি was ইউজ কৰিম আৰু যদি সাবজেক্টটো প্লুরাল হয় তার টাইমত আমি where ইউজ কৰিম ওকে সিঙ্গুলার means one and plural means more than one okay now look here in 1 number sentence I am alone at home so in this sentence look the subject is I that is singular no so we have to write was in place of am আমি am ৰ ঠাইত কি লিখিব লাগিব was understood আৰু বাকি সেম থাকিব একো চেঞ্জ কৰিব নালাগে now 2 number Deepa and her friend are in class 3 so here again the subject is plural that's why here use what are now we have to write this sentence with the help of was or where so since as the subject is plural number no that's why we have to write here where in place of are আমি আর অর্থাৎ কি লিখিব লাগিব where বাকি সেম থাকিব আমি আর অর্থাৎ where লিখিলেই হ'ব now 3 number the children are with their aunt again the subject is what plural that's why we have to write here where in place of are তো সাবজেক্ট টু প্লুরাল হোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমি কি লিখিম আর অর্থাৎ where লিখিছো সোৱা আর বাকি একো চেঞ্জ কৰিব না লাগে now 4 number she is asleep on the sofa again the subject is what singular that is third person singular number she no that's why here we have to write was in place of is আমি is অর্থাৎ কি লিখিব লাগিব was understood now sentence number 5 so here the car is 2 years old again the subject is singular the car that means one car that's why we have to here was in place of is singular hole ami ki likhibo lagibo was and plural hole where jehetu car the car means what how many car here only one car the singular that's why we have to write here was okay now 6 number we are ready to give the test again here subject is plural that is we means what more than two more than one sorry more than one that is plural na subject that's why we have to here where in place of are যেহেতু সাবজেক্টটো প্লুৰেল নাম্বাৰ হয় তাৰ কাৰণে আমি আৰ ঠাইত কি লিখিব লাগিব where লিখিব লাগিব আৰু বাকি কি থাকিব বাকি সেম একো চেঞ্জ কৰিব নালাগে বুজি পাইছা now sentence number 7 now in 7 number look he is a famous doctor so again the subject is what he that means the subject is singular number that's why again we have to write here was in place of is understood আমি ইজৰ ঠাইত কি লিখিম আমি ইজৰ ঠাইত কি লিখিম was আৰু বাকি চেঞ্জ কৰিব নালাগে then now the last number there are dark gray clouds in the sky so here there are dark there are means what that means are that is plural so that's why here we have to write where in place of are yet are দিয়া আছে আর টা তুমি কি লিখিব লাগিব where যত যত এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিবা তোমালোকে wait যত যত am আৰু is থাকিব am is আৰু is থাকিব তাৰ ঠাইত আমি কি লিখিম was আৰু বাকি যত are থাকিব only are তাৰ ঠাইত আমি কি লিখিম where understood okay